For 12,000 years, it waited beneath the earth, silent, hidden, forgotten, until this week, in Ethiopia's Afar Desert, the Haile Gubi volcano detonated back to life. A blast so violent it hurled ash miles into the heavens. Winds seized the plume and carried it across nations. From Ethiopia to Eritrea, sweeping over the Red Sea, Yemen, Oman, racing toward India and drifting beyond into the skies of Asia. Airports halted, shadows spread. The world looked up as a forgotten giant breathed again. After 12 millennia of silence, the planet reminded us who's in control.